Well, hello again. It's me, Over the Hill with Bill. Have you ever bought one of those tools where you either love it or you hate it? Well, today I'm going to give you a review of the Parkside Driver. And let's see how good this thing is. Now, Parkside are known for their cheap tools. They give a long guarantee with them, and some of their tools are very good quality. So I needed a drill driver, not really a drill, to be putting in a lot of screws, especially when I was building this place. I had hundreds of screws to put in, and I certainly wasn't going to use a screwdriver. So I purchased the Parkside driver about, I would say, just under a year ago. Right, I'm going to be completely honest with you, it is absolutely fantastic. It has to be one of the most useful tools I've ever purchased. This thing is absolutely brilliant. The torque on it is fantastic. It will screw a screw in no matter how big that screw is. Brilliant. Now, I've used this for coming up to a year, and it is still as fantastic as when I purchased it. It's quite heavy. It's quite a heavy tool, so you can feel the quality in it. The batteries are absolutely fantastic. The battery will last. It lasts hours. The battery does, and when you charge up the battery, it's very quick. Only takes a couple of hours, and it's fully charged. So you'll always have another battery on standby. The driver itself comes as a bare unit without a battery and charger. So I purchased the charger with two batteries, but I purchased the 20-volt ones, and they're brilliant. They just simply slot in. You get a little light with it, and it'll last you and last you. I definitely recommend this. Now, I know there's going to be drivers out there that are made by DeWalt and all the other famous well-known brands. In all honesty, I can't see them being any better than that. I've given that some tough work and it really has done the job fantastically. If you've been looking at one of these and wondering whether to get it or not, I can definitely recommend it. Go ahead, get it, give it a go. You'll absolutely love it, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Brilliant to use, fantastic with the torque it's got. Battery charges up real quick, and the battery life in it is fantastic. As I say, they're the 20-volt batteries. Really, there's not a lot more to say about it. Don't go wasting your hundreds of euros or pounds on a known brand when this will do exactly what you want. I can guarantee it. It's great. Best tool I've ever bought, in all honesty. Now, that's only a short review of it. Be honest with you, there's not a lot to say about it, but I can definitely guarantee it. If you buy one of those tools and you have a problem with it, take it back. Get your money back. But it's brilliant. Thanks once again for watching.